Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is currently the best hamster cage with accessories tunnel on the market. This two-piece wooden play platform and tunnel set by 3BAO is a brilliant combination of function, fun, and form, all designed specifically with your little furry friend in mind. Let's start with what's included. When you order this set, you get two key pieces: a wooden platform and a 3-in-1 tunnel ladder that doubles as a shelter. Together, they create a mini playground and rest area for your hamster, squirrel, or other small pet. With a natural wood aesthetic and functional design, it fits right into most cages, while enhancing your pet's experience significantly. Now let's talk size. The tunnel ladder comes in at approximately 11 inches long, 4.65 inches wide, and 2.76 inches high. The platform is about 9.84 inches in length, nearly 6 inches wide, and 4 inches tall. These dimensions ensure there's ample space for your pet to run, hide, sleep, and climb, all essential behaviors for a healthy, active animal. The build quality is one of the standout features. This set is made entirely from natural wood, with smoothened edges throughout to avoid any sharp corners that could harm your pet. It's safe, durable, and environmentally friendly. Plus, the wooden support columns offer a sturdy base, giving your pet a reliable structure to interact with. One of the great things about this setup is its multifunctional use. The elevated platform can hold water dispensers, food bowls, or even a hamster wheel, helping you keep your cage neat and organized while still giving your pet room to play. No more tipped-over bowls or cramped play spaces. This setup adds vertical interest and usability to your pet's environment. The tunnel and ladder combo really shines when it comes to encouraging physical activity. It allows for climbing and crawling, which can improve your hamster's balance, coordination, and overall fitness. But more than that, it keeps your pet mentally stimulated. Boredom is one of the biggest causes of stress in small animals, and this setup helps avoid that by offering exploration and hiding opportunities. Parents will also love this product because it's easy to assemble. In fact, it can be a fun DIY project for kids under supervision. Simply match the joints and press the pieces together according to the image instructions, no special tools or glue required. That makes it not just a functional accessory but an engaging family activity as well. Just a damp cloth and a gentle wipe is all it takes. Because of its untreated wood, you'll want to avoid harsh chemicals. But with regular care, this setup will last a long time and maintain its rustic charm. Unfortunately, as of now, it doesn't ship to all locations, including some international ones, so do check your delivery eligibility before adding to cart. To wrap things up, this two-piece wooden hamster platform and tunnel set by 3BAO offers an excellent balance of entertainment, utility, and safety. It enriches your pet's living space while simplifying the setup and maintenance for you. Whether you're a new hamster owner or looking to upgrade your cage accessories, this set is a thoughtful and high-quality addition. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.